G'day guys, it's Adam Franklin in Darwin in the Northern Territory. And today's video is just to say thank you for watching previous videos and for interacting with me. It's been a real pleasure. And being up here for a workshop got me thinking that, or got me realizing that I've met so many interesting people in my travels, and I've been fortunate enough to visit lots of interesting places. But I've had the pleasure of interacting with you on LinkedIn videos, in the Blue Wire News, and the direct messages. And I wanted to find out a bit more about you as someone who's in my community. So I'd love it if you could leave a comment and let me know who you are, where you're from, who you serve, and maybe even an interesting fact about yourself. So look, I'll kick things off. An interesting fact about me is that I was born in Tassie, in Hobart. Not many people know that. I used to collect Coke cans, and technically I'm a biochemist. I studied that at university. Now, from a business point of view, Toby and I have run Blue Wire for nearly 14 years, and we help high trust, relationship-based business owners make high ticket sales through LinkedIn in particular. Now, we speak at conferences and run workshops and all that other stuff, but what you may not know is that Tobes and I have actually been mates since grade 1 in 1986. We went to primary school together, high school, university, did some water polo together, travelled around, and there you go, we've been mates for over 30 years and business partners now for 14. So look, I would love to find out more about you. Over to you, leave a comment down below, where you're from, who you serve, and maybe even an interesting random fact about yourself. So that's it from Darwin in the top end, home of the crocodile, home of barramundi fishing. It's beautiful up here. Take care, and catch you in the comments very soon. See ya.